Hello dears and welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create this O letters for a group of companies with Illustrator. So our document dimension is 3000 by 2000 pixel, and also this document is a logo design. So you need to select the color mode, which is CMYK for your logo design. And also let me show you the colors which we are going to use. So we're going to use the gradient colors. We are going to create the modern O. So that's why we're going to use this gradient colors. So let me click on this gradient panel so I can show you the colors in hex. And also this one. You can see the color in hex. Let me show you the last one, and here we have the first and the second gradient colors. So now I want to create this O letter, so I'm going to get this ellipse tool so I can create this O. So I'm going to hold Alt and Shift and we're going to draw. First we're going to create the grid for that, so we can create this kind of logo design. Maybe you're going to design this for a group of companies and you receive the order from, and also you can design this if you want to sell this online for any digital market or any other websites online. And do not forget to add this logo name with the tagline for the a company that you're going to receive the order to make this kind of logo, or if you're going to sell this. For that also you need to add this logo name with the tagline. But for the real client, for the company that you're going to receive the order from, so you have to present this in form of mockup. Do not submit it just like this, that you're going to design it. You don't have to submit it the original, you have to put it in the mockups. So after we're going to put it in the form of mockups, so the client is going to like that logo. Do not submit it like this. You need to remember this, as I said. So we need to go to the edit and click on copy, and we're going to click on paste in place. By holding Alt and Shift, I'm going to scale this. So now I'm going to get my pen tool and I need to draw this straight line. First, we're going to group this, and with this line, I'm going to align it. So now with this line, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this line and go to the edit, click on copy, and we're going to click on paste in place. We're going to right click, and here we are going to click on rotate, and we need that 30 degrees angular. And I need to click on copy, paste in place, right click, click on reflect, vertical reflect. So I need to select this line. We need to go to the edit, click on copy again. We can use the shortcut Control C, and we're going to paste in place. And also for paste in place, we can use the shortcut, which is this Shift plus Control plus V. So I'm going to click on place in place, and we're going to right click, go to this rotate. We need to rotate this 90 degrees. We need to go to the edit again, click on copy, paste in place, right click, click on rotate, and we need to rotate this 30 angle. And again, we need to go to the edit, click on copy, paste in place, right click, we need to click on reflect. Okay. So now I'm going to select everything, Control G, group it. Now select everything and align it. So now I need to select everything, go to this shape builder tool and select a color, and we need to remove the stroke from. So let's try to make this. So I'm going to start from here. This is it. We're done. Now we made this group of company logo design. So this company logo name is start with this O later. Let me remove the stroke. So now we are going to apply the gradient colors. We are going to use the eyedropper. We are going to use this one. Select this, apply this color, and also this one. Cool. It looks really cool. I'm going to select Control G, and we are going to put it right here. So if you want to create a variation from this, what you can do is that you can select that by holding Alt. I'm going to make another copy. Let's make another copy right here. I can change that to a stroke. I can ungroup that. Let's make it something like this 4. Now we have the outline mode, and also we have this one. And if you don't want to create this in outline mode like this, what you can do more, you can create the same outline mode, but you can give it a new background or something. You can increase the stroke size. So this is how you can use this simple ellipse to make your own custom grid to create this kind of O letter for a group of company. And also you can sell this online, this kind of logo, if you want to design. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to make this kind of logo. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.